Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon in the whole world. I'm lying down because it's so cold and my back is hurt. Because a day before yesterday I went to supermarket. Oh my god, too much people and then too much groceries. My back is hurt. May gonna be shout out to all my friendship. Yes, I'm doing live because I need WH. Sometimes I'm sleeping. Thank you po to all supporting my channel. I'm so sleepy now. Ah, pwede na maano. Ito, ay camera pala yan. Ano yan? Ay, pwede na pala i-close ang camera dito. Ala, mayroon na. Pwede na siyang ma-close. Dati wala tong camera na to eh. Dati wala itong mobile na to. Ayan, pwede na pala. Pwede na natin itong tulugan. Thank you sa 3 million in the house, guys. I just come here. It's so cold here. I don't know. I just go. I think I'm getting sick. Thank you, guys. Thank you for my 9 million in the house. Oh, 19 million in the house. Well, ala, 10 million.